Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet.
Let's see if we have any screwdrivers here. You love screwdrivers. Oh, you know right where they are, don't you? Let's see. Oh my goodness. I don't see any screwdrivers, baby. An old can opener. It's an interesting choice. Yeah, there's not really anything in there for you, is there? That's kind of screwdriver-like. Good choice, but not a screwdriver. How about a little wrench?
Negative on the wrench.
Thank you. Dropping all of it. That's great. How about this? This is pretty heavy. So the things you dropped, are these things you want, or are you passing on them? What do you think? Are you passing on these, or you want to keep them? Did you just drop that last one? Did you want that? Oops. No, it looks like there's rust inside there. So we're going to pass. No, we're going to pass on that. It's got rust. But I did get this. Okay, we'll get that.